What's up there YouTube, and welcome back to another video of me, Card H45, with Let's Build a Model Railway Part 5, I do believe. As you can see, we've actually got track on the new baseboard. This track is fully down, that's fully laid. What I'm doing now, I'm just working on the back track there, and that needs fully securing down. But the most important thing is to do is, before laying the track, putting nailing it down, is actually set it up as I've done here. Pretty much how I've done this, how it looks now. I laid it down like that, so I know where I wanted it. And this bit here, you probably can just see on the camera. There you go. As you can see there, the focus. This camera won't focus. As you can see there, it's having trouble focusing. Is a copper plate, so I can isolate that side of the track where that train is, and I can isolate that track from moving. Zoom it back out. So, important to actually lay the track, actually put like a carriage or dummy unit and test the joint there from where I put the copper, and there's a gap about that much. So it's important to test the train, push the train on, push the train along the track and make sure that there's a bit of a drop there, and test that it goes around there and doesn't derail. If it derails, you need to sort the track out and move the track around a bit to sort the track out. But further ado, I will show you a bits on actually putting the track, nailing the track down and securing the track. So you zoom my camera in a bit more, you can see the track there. Now obviously you put the cork down on the bottom, you measure the cork up, cut the cork, slide the cork underneath the track. What you need, most new track, I do believe you can actually get the holes already put into the track, but this is fresh out of the box and this track is pretty old, so you've actually got to drill the holes yourself into the, ooh, missed that one, go off that one. Drill the holes into the track itself, so you just drill a hole in the middle of the sleeper. This drill is very noisy. And there you go. Don't take much for it to go through the track. Drill a bit out, set that the track straight, and get the track bends for this mini truck, tarmac truck what I've got them ordered in. So all we do is just the pin and that is the track secured in there. So that's fully secured in. What we can do now is move along the line. Oop. Finish securing in the track. a screw there, the screw there, because that is a joint there. So obviously you need to secure the two pieces of track, so they're like that with a fish plate on the bottom, so they can actually come apart if you don't fully secure them in tight. So that kind of joint there won't move now. That's what we need. That joint not moving, so I'm just going to do that a bit. I'll get the rest done.